Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to load the Figure 8 fiducial marker inside the 22 gauge F&A needle. The Figure 8 will only be used first, and it will be only used once on a clean needle at the beginning of the procedure. So we'll remove our needle from the package. We're going to unlock the depth gauge. We're going to push down and expose the needle from the sheath. At this point, we're going to remove the Figure 8 fiducial cannula and the pusher from the packaging. This metal piece right here is basically just a paper clip that keeps the fiducial inside the cannula during transport. So at this point in time, I'm going to grab the needle, I'm going to grab the cannula, and I'm going to use the stylet that's still inside the needle to help push the cannula onto the tip of the needle. Now what we can do is back the stylet out of the needle to make room inside the center of the needle for the fiducial to enter the needle. So now I'm going to take the pusher for the fiducial, and basically I'm going to force the fiducial inside the needle tip, and I'm going to push it in all the way until the ring stops or hubs at the back of the cannula. At this point, what we can do is remove this entire piece, and now we have to keep our fiducial inside the tip of the needle. So what I'm going to do is just take a small amount of bone wax, rub it on the tip of the needle. Now our fiducial is loaded within the needle. Now what we're going to do is push our stylet in until we've got about, 3 finger lengths of the stylet hanging out of the back of the needle. Then we're going to pull the needle back inside the sheath, move the depth gauge back up, relock it. This device is ready to be handed to Dr. Ollier, and as soon as the stylet is pushed down to the back of the needle, it will expel the fiducial from the tip of the needle into the lesion.